So hello guys, welcome to IT Engineers. Yesterday we have discussed about the Active Directory most important questions and some introductions about Active Directory and why we use Active Directory. So now we are going to discuss about the seventh questions, which are how many partition in Active Directory. So in Active Directory there are four types of partition. The first one is schema partition, configuration partition, domain partition and application partition. So let's discuss about schema partitions. What is this? So there is only one schema partition per forest and it is stored in all domain controller of the forest. It contains the definition of object and rule for the manipulation and create in an active directory. It replicated to all domain controller of the forest. So let's discuss about the second one of a schema partition, which is configuration partition. There is one master configuration partition per forest and second one on all domain controller in a forest. It contains, like configuration partition contains all forest wide active directory topology include domain controller and sites and services. Third one is domain partition. Many domain partition exist per forest and they are stored on all domain controller in a domain. They contain information about user, group, computer and organizational unit. The fourth one is application partition. This partition stores information about application in Active Directory. Its name is application partition. So this partition stores information about application in Active Directory. Active Directory integrated DNS zone information is stored in these partitions. All types of informations, AD informations, stores in application partition. Okay. So let's discuss about the 8 questions. The questions is, what are the FSMO role in AD? This question is most important for the interview purpose because in all interview this is asked by the interviewer. So FSMO roles are categorized into two parts. First one is forest wise and second one is domain wise. So let's discuss about the forest wise FSMO role. Forest wise there is two types, which is schema master and domain naming master. Schema master, the work of schema masters are, it defines layout for creation of object. Okay, it defines layout for creation of object. And the second one is domain naming master. So domain naming master responsible for unique naming conversion in the forest. Let us discuss about domain wise FSMO role. So first one is RID master, that means relative identifier responsible. So relative identifier responsible for seed pool generation, like security ID generation. Domain wise, so the second one is PDC emulator. It is responsible for password synchronization and clock synchronization in a domain. The third one is infrastructure master. It is like infrastructure master is responsible for updating the group to user references whenever the member of group and rename or changed. So ninth question is very short, like this is how to check which server holds which role. The answer is, by the help of NetDump query we can check which server holds which role. So today we discussed only 3 questions which is very important for the interview purpose. First is how many partition in Active Directory. Second one is what are the FSMO role in AD, and third is how to check server holds which role. So we will discuss more in the next video. So thank you guys. Have a nice day.